Hey guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing very well. Well, I'm very excited about today's video because every time I post a picture on my Instagram, I get so many questions from you guys, and it's a persistent question that revolves around my skin and how I maintain it and how I take care of it and just what is the secret. And today I'm actually there to spill the beans about what I do, what I take to have a skin that is pretty flawless. I think it works for me. Whatever I've been doing has been working really well for me. So I thought I'll share it with you guys. So I've been consuming this one product for the past 3 months and I totally think it's a game changer. I've always believed that how you look is not always just what you put on your skin. It's also about what you consume, what you take in. And a lot of times we are constantly looking for various supplements, various things just to ensure that we are taking the right nutrients. But it's very difficult to find that one product that does it all for you. Well, I have actually found that one product that's working very well for me. I've been consuming it for the past 3 months and the results have been amazing. So the product that I'm talking about is the GlutaGlow Gummies by What's Up Wellness. Guys, trust me, if there's one skin supplement that you need to add to your routine, make it this one because it's so good. After trying multiple makeup products, skincare products, supplements and multivitamins, I finally stumbled upon this after a friend recommended it to me, and I realized that sometimes you just need that one thing that clicks with you, and this is that one product that is really working for me. And I firmly believe when your skin glows, when you already have good skin, you really need minimal makeup products on your skin, because when you have good skin, you really don't need to hide any flaws and you don't need to cake up too much and use too many makeup products. Your skin will naturally glow from within when you have these gummies. You need to have just one gummy a day, and this will do wonders on your skin and give you that natural glow. You can see there's a natural glow on my skin. Since the time I've been consuming these regularly, I've seen a major change in my skin. My skin has become brighter. My dark spots have definitely reduced, and my friends and family have been actually telling me that I've started to look younger. So definitely some magic that is happening through these. This really nourishes your skin from within. Now let's dive into what really makes these What's Up Wellness gummies so effective. Let's talk about glutathione. Now glutathione, as we all know, is an essential and magical ingredient for our skin, for our hair, for our body. But little do we know that most of the glutathione that we get from various sources gets broken by our digestive system. In What's Up Wellness gummies, the liposomal technology is used to stop glutathione from being broken by our body's digestive system, and our skin cells are better able to absorb this. In fact, the liposomal technology enhances the absorption of glutathione 64 times more than normal gluta. Awesome, right? That's when this liposomal glutathione actually enters our skin and does wonders. I'm going to be taking you through the key benefits of consuming the What's Up Wellness GlutaGlow gummies every day. First things first, it lightens our skin cells and actually makes it shine from within. This is the kind of glow we thought we could only get by, putting things externally and by makeup, but this is the glow that you get after consuming the GlutaGlow gummies. It removes dark spots, evens out the skin tone and reduces the damage done by UV rays. Very, very important. It's packed with vitamin E and C, which repairs our skin and actually enhances collagen production in our body. And by the way, it's an amazing anti-aging product as well. So coenzyme Q10 and alpha lipoic acid are two very important ingredients that are present in these gummies that actually help in delaying the signs of aging and help us give that youthful and wrinkle-free skin. And above it all, it actually helps in improving our liver function. So nothing like it. Some amazing benefits of these gummies that really works wonder in your skin, in your hair, in your body. And you can see from my skin that my skin has been doing better than before, and it's never been better actually. So these were some of the amazing benefits of consuming the GlutaGlow gummies by What's Up Wellness. These are actually packed with so many essential vitamins, amino acids and ingredients from natural sources, which are actually very difficult to consume on a daily basis. So all you need to do is pop one gummy daily, preferably half an hour after any of your meals, and that's it. These tangy, sour tasting gummies taste amazing, and all you need to do is take one gummy and you boost your skin from within and get that natural glow. By the way, these gummies are vegan and have no side effects. So go ahead and include the What's Up Wellness GlutaGlow gummies in your everyday routine and you will give your skin the perfect boost that it needs. So I got my gummies from the WhatsUp Wellness website. I'm linking it down below. You can get these. This is priced at $8.99 and each box has 30 gummies. So yes, 1 month full of gummy requirements are in this box, and go check it out. You can also check out their website for more information about the product. I really love them and I highly recommend them.